Cramped for space but dreaming of a lush green garden? A vertical garden is your answer. This innovative solution allows you to transform a narrow, unused space into a thriving, living wall of greenery. This vertical wall of nature is not just aesthetically pleasing, but it's also a modern and stylish way to maximize small spaces, whether they're in your home, office, or even in public places. The concept of vertical gardening is an exciting trend in the world of horticulture, giving you the chance to bring flora to life in spaces that may not have been considered before. The beauty of these vertical gardens is that they don't demand a lot of space. All they need is a vertical surface, a bit of prep work, and your creative spirit. So, how do you go about creating your own vertical garden? Well, start selecting a wall that gets ample sunlight. This could be in your living room, balcony, or even on a fence outside. But be mindful that the wall you choose should be sturdy enough to hold the weight of the plants and the structure you will be building. Next, choose plants that love the light, such as succulents, ivy, ferns, or herbs. These plants not only survive but thrive in bright light conditions, making them perfect candidates for your vertical garden. They are also relatively easy to care for, which is a bonus for novice gardeners. To create the structure of your vertical garden, you can use a modular panel system or even repurposed pallets. These provide a solid base for your plants to grow on and be easily installed onto the wall. The key here is to ensure that the structure is secure and well supported to prevent any accidents. Remember, watering is key to the survival of your vertical garden. Different plants need different amounts of water, so it's important to research the plants you've chosen. A drip irrigation system is a great way to keep wall garden hydrated without overwatering. This system slowly and consistently waters your plants, ensuring they receive just the right amount of hydration. Maintenance is also crucial. Regularly check your garden for signs of disease or promptly treat any issues to maintain the health and vibrancy of your garden. And voila! After a bit of planning, planting, and nurturing, you have your very own vertical garden. So, why wait? Transform that dull wall into a living masterpiece today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates on plants.